came home and I told the kids, you know what, let's do something different. Let's go outside in the snow on the BMX bikes. Now y'all know I'm restoring one of the bikes, and I actually got additional three more. So I said, let's go outside and play in the snow, but on the bicycles. I don't think I ever did that as a kid. So with my boys, I tried to experience new things, but I don't think we rode in the snow on top of snow like that. So let's give it a whirl and see. And here I go. I'm always trying to show them how to do things like I've done it before, which I never have. And you remember that's how I broke my ankle the first time, trying to show my oldest how to do tricks on a stunt bike, which I never done before. But here we go. YB bass, when you can be swing. We keep a positive attitude, ain't nothing changed. What's your passion? How you check a bag in and network? Cause I wanna do it. I make sure I live my best first. I love that swanky drip. I feel free. I look good. I'm so swanky. You see the drip on my hoodie. That ish go crazy. That logo so amazing. YB bass, when you can be swing. YB bass, when you can be swing. We keep a positive attitude, ain't nothing changed. YB bass, when you can be swing. Hey. Yeah, yeah. YB bass, when you can be swing. Yeah. Whatever you do, you in charge. Ooh, I can't even see. Hi, hi, hi. There you go. See? Don't that feel good? Oh, then you gonna try to bust a willie. Don't that feel good?
Yeah, do.
Why be basic?
When you can be swanky.
Yeah, it's most definitely a lifestyle. You don't see nobody in Chicago doing this shit.
You don't.
You got to be special to do this shit in the snow on your bicycles. Look at this one here. Come on, girl. One down. We really enjoyed ourselves. That was interesting. My son was trying to do the bunny hop that we used to do. I was showing them and telling them back in the days I used to know how to bunny hop real good. So once again, here go the old man saying, "This is how you do it." My son watched that. Ooh, look at that, freeze and pause and get back in there. A little rusty, but I think I get it when the weather breaks. Let's try it again. Pause. Look at that height. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. Double up on them, you know what I'm saying? I tried to do a little willy, but I ain't ready yet. I had the wrong boots on too as well. Let's see this again. Look at this height. Pause. Woo, up there. Come on, which this weather break is on. I look good, I'm so swanky. You see the drip on my hoodie. That ish go crazy. That logo so amazing. YB bass, when you can be swing. YB bass, when you can be swing.